ya kini ki tiar la ai khnang na kabenta kini ki volunteer ki baladep training na kabenta ka disaster management khnang ba kini ki volunteer kila ban yarap hakino kino ki benta la haki jingja kum ki earthquake kum ki jingtua khandau ki eryong wat kumta terter ladajia baki don ki jingmensau ne jingpang la hangno kini kila la ban yarap namar kila don kitiar ban yada na kabenta ka jongki.
Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills District, Shri Himanayak, IAS, and the officer of the District Disaster Management Authority, Shri Dikhan, and all
Srimati Himanayak IAS, and all my master trainer colleague, yoga master, and from Tipro departments. At the same time, I would like to welcome all the YAMS trained volunteers 2005 to 2026 days on behalf of all of you. So for my side, I just have a glimpse and highlight on whatever we have done. I prepared a small presentation, so I would like to invite my staff to kindly show the PPT.
Longstoin and the entire team from District Disaster Management Authority and all the line department officials and my dear all who are Abda Mitras. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for making time to attend this program, and I think most of you must be attending this program for the first time. Yes. Okay, and you all belong to different education institutions, and this is very good opportunity for you to meet your peers from other institutions. It is not just for disaster management or emergency response. This is also to build the young leaders for the entire community, because you all must be studying in your schools and colleges, and you must be just interacting with your friends every day, maybe going to let's say a local college and meeting the same teachers, same students. So this kind of activities give you very good
Smriti Himalaya once again to distribute the prize for the best of 3. So here are the names of the best of 3 for the batch 1 under the Yuva Abda Mitra, the YAMS volunteer. So on 3rd position we have Ribashisha Lekoy. Let's give a good round of applause. Third, Ribashisha Lekoy.
No, stop. I don't know.